Morning, Agent Engine Carbon Clean. We're in and around Nottingham this morning. We've got a Ford Focus 1.6 diesel. This is a 2013 model, 100,000 on the clock. Now, the owner of this one's reported about every 7th or 8th journey. Get a bit of hesitation when changing gears and trying to accelerate. Nothing that we've picked up on the diagnostics to explain what's going on with that, other than based on the kind of the journey lengths he's doing, it could be when it's doing a DPF regen. The DPF stuck content looks nice and low, so it has regened very recently. All the other live data in terms of ejectors looks pretty nice. Injector one's fueling slightly more than the other three, but it is a minimal amount. Coolant temperature's up at 95 degrees, exactly where it should be. EGR movement and flow looks exactly where it should be. All the other live data looks spot on. Code free, so has got his own scanner and cleared those codes out a few months ago, but nothing's been back on since then. This is very much preventative maintenance clean. No real reason on the diagnostics why it's doing that kind of stuttering when it's doing it, but if it's about every 7th or 8th journey, could well be just when it's doing a DPF regen. Otherwise, pretty standard clean, nice and smooth and quiet compared to when we got here. Pretty much done on this one.